Hey, it's Paul Topier from SEMA for Auto Parts Warehouse 2017, and I hate to say this, but I'm back. Yes.
God bless you. Yes, you are, and a great partner as well. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm here with Charlie, who's going to describe this Revolver X4 to us. I got to tell you, this guy is so good on camera, I might have to give part of my check back to Auto Parts Warehouse. I mean, you could have replaced the OxyClean guy. You are so informational, it's just terrific. So I'm going to just stand back, let you do your thing, and tell everybody why this Revolver X4 is the best.
Well, you know, Paul, it's easy to be passionate when you love what you do.
That's true.
My mom always said, find something you love doing and find a way to make money at it, and you'll never work a day in your life. And the incredible thing is I'm a truck owner and a truck enthusiast. Whether it's my snowboards to the mountain, whether it's my boat to go wakeboarding, or whether it's my motorcycle to go out riding in the desert or out at Pismo, I'm always doing something in my truck with my kids, my wife, my family, and my friends. And I don't want to mess up a good thing. I bought a truck so I could use the pickup bed, and these products make the perfect complement to the way I need to use that product and my truck. So what we've got is the world's first hard roll-up cover. Bak Industries started with folding covers and backflip, and as folding covers became so popular, we grew to the top. Cream rises, and as we experienced more competition, we wanted to make the next great innovation in truck bed cover technology. And you're looking at it right here in the Revolver X4 with its latest culmination in design and technology improvements. So what we've got is an amazing flush fit.
It sure is. I mean, that is smooth as a baby's, well, yeah.
But yes, it is. And with a new matte finish. We have found that the matte finish has been so popular in the truck aftermarket, we can't not sell it. It's the perfect match to the factory plastic and trim of the bed cap protectors that are now standard on all the new trucks, the bumper caps, the mirror caps, and all the other trim and amenities that come in those black finishes. It's just the perfect match.
It sure is. It is beautiful. How much R&D goes into developing something like this?
I couldn't even begin to guess. It's hard to add up those numbers. It takes years of experience, customer compliments and criticism. You know, you never get it right the first time, but we aim for perfection, and continual improvement is a big part of what we do at Bak Industries, and it's where the real innovation and opportunity comes from, and it comes at all costs.
Yeah, and I'm sure you get lots of comments on your website, as we'd like to see them too, on Auto Parts Warehouse, about Bak Industries, about these tops, and about the new iterations that come out every so often. They're just better and better than the last iteration.
Well, Paul, let's get into some of the features and benefits that the Revolver X4 offers.
Let's do it.
You know, once again, all new trucks are standard with the locking tailgate, some with the keyless entry, some with your ignition key. And so that very simple lock is the way we secure the pickup bed. Once you unlock and lower that tailgate, we have a pull cable release that we provide on the passengers and the driver's side that releases the automatic latching system and the lever that locks the rail. Now, this is the hidden secret in this product. My wife loves this cover because there's no lifting. It's very simple and organic, the way it just simply rolls down the rail from one side, and a very simple buckle and strap that will clip into the front to secure it open. So if she's helping her sister move a couch, I don't need to go unless there's some real heavy lifting involved.
Can we do that again? Here, I want to wait a second.
Do it all day long because
I want to see
effort.
How many fingers you did this the first time when you rolled it up. Watch this.
Well,
okay.
I think it's a 2-finger roll. Very simple.
That's crazy. You would think just by looking at it, it's as hard as a rock. It would never roll up in a million years. One more time for the camera, please.
Well, you know, also too, this is great for lifted trucks and for the vertically challenged.
Yeah, okay, I get it.
And so it's perfect for everyone in the family. My kids, my wife. It doesn't take any effort to just simply roll it along the rail where it rests easily and weightless on the cover.
That is utterly amazing.
So now let me show you the secret, because it's not just about access, it's about solid locking security. Now here you've got the locking lever and a 3/4 inch locking rail that is going to engage the cover when latched. So as we roll the cover down, these strong aluminum slats have a locking block that has gusseting and inserted into those slats. And as we come down, you're going to see the cover's loose, but when I latch it at the back, that rail locks the entire distance back to front.
Oh, let me tell you, that has a gasket too, so it keeps the weather out. That is tight as tight can be.
Well, I will tell you, as my grandfather would say, watertight like a frog's behind.
All right, we invoked a baby's behind and a frog's behind in this little segment, but that's okay.
Hey, it's a family show, you know.
That's right, because the rest of the people who make these tonneau covers are way behind back, I got to tell you. This is just so impressive. I'm almost speechless.
You know, I got to tell you, the best things in life are the simplest, and this is nothing complicated about it. It's easy to receive at your door with a very simple 9/16 wrench and a hand tool. It's easy to install. It doesn't take very much time at all. You can do it at home with basic mechanic skills. We even offer a video to make it simple to watch me putting this on the truck, so that it makes it easy for you to do on yours at home.
All right, you heard him, Charlie. He knows it all. He's got it all, and Bak has the best tonneau covers anywhere. Well, I think somebody agreed with me. Anyway, I'm Paul Tapier for Auto Parts Warehouse. Be sure to go to Auto Parts Warehouse and see all the Bak products. Charlie, thanks so much.
Paul,
it's a real pleasure.
Bell meant?
Yeah, what did that sound
Another
like?
truck just got its cover.
I like that. That's kind of like Jimmy Stewart, and it's a wonderful life, because every time an angel gets its wings.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right. And that train horn means another truck just got covered with Bak Industries.
Well, that's right. Thank you very much.
And Auto Parts Warehouse. Thank you.